we're here back at Brooklands again. It's a sunny day, as you can see, and it is the Brooklands Motorcycle Day, which is one of Brooklands' more popular days, and there are literally hundreds of motorbikes around the site this morning. During the day, we're going to try and catch up with a few of those owners. We're actually in the paddock here at the moment, waiting for some BSA Gold Star owners to come out with their bikes. And of course the Gold Star was awarded to anyone that achieved over 100 miles an hour on the Brooklands outer circuit. So we're going to catch up with a couple of those owners when they turn up. In the meantime, let's find another owner here. And there's a chap over here, looks like he might be an owner. Now, we've already spoken to you this morning, I believe. So we've got the bike now in the paddock. How do you think it's going to go today on the track?
Embarrassingly slow, if I'm honest with you. Looking around at all the beautiful motorcycles that are here today, ours is only a 148cc, and I think because the bike is a 1932 bike, it's not really had anything done to the engine, so I think it's going to be painfully slow. Luckily enough, Gareth, who's going to ride it, is a lot less in weight than I am. Okay. So a small jockey on it might work well. So
it could do all right up and down the finishing straight here. Here is Gareth.
Yes, from there.
Hello.
He is our track test dummy today. It is. Yes, but sorry, can I go back to that?
Yeah, we're fueled up and ready to go now.
It's got about half a tank of one of those containers in, so it's less than a gallon.
Okay.
And I put to that about half the cap in. So if that would be okay. We were a bit on the mixture from it. Do you want to just run it round here before you go out on it, or you're just going to do it, are you? Ad lib, absolutely super.
Ad lib. Have you ridden this bike before?
Never.
Never. So this will be a first time.
I think the last two-stroke I rode was in Tenerife on holiday.
Okay, so there should be a bit of an experience for you today.
Yeah, and we've already identified a slight problem with the steering, so I can only go round corners clockwise.
Okay.
That's okay.
Well, let's hope the circuit is round that way then.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to it.
Great.
I have excuse to ride a bike, to be honest. I'll ride anything.
Yeah.
So it's,
that's a good idea. Yeah. Fantastic. Okay, well, good luck.
Everything that goes wrong is miracle. We have an arrangement like that. So, the rest of the plans are here. looks fine, and from there ahead, and very looks right, recreation of the Brooklands lap record. So at the end there, last lap, we have
This is a Harley-Davidson powered electric mountain bike. Called the Mosh City, or a town bike, you know, you can do whatever you want it to be. Gorgeous. Motorcycle team as well. As the second rider, never seen the bike until half an hour ago.
Full cat there, down here, and in the second it should be alright.
On the other hand, the little Tommy Meaton record breaker here on this concrete in 1927. And when it was speed of about 124 miles an hour, and we found with our real world testing that it does about 200 miles to a charge. Motorcycle in the safety area and it's not taken by the speed taken out.
Speed, it's ready, you're going out this afternoon.